A scar from a tragic day is being repurposed to celebrate our country. The day was almost a year ago, August of 2023, when a tornado smashed through parts of West Knoxville. One of the places hit, Tate School of Discovery in the Cedar Bluff area. You're looking at video as we followed the rebuilding process. Yesterday, Tate School let us come by to see this sculpture of an eagle standing above an American flag with a family of owls looking on from below. It's carved out of a trunk of cedar tree that was splintered by the storm. Tate School founder says it's the oldest tree on the property, the last to survive from 3 cedars that stood near the old home place, which once occupied the property. He still lives up the hill and shares his memories of bouncing back from the storm.
I was shocked. Came on around and one of our buildings is completely gone. And so I thought, my gosh, what are we going to do? It was scary. Could we even have school in the fall? Fortunately, our parents came and they brought their saws and their rakes, and they jumped in and just helped us clean it up. It was a wonderful thing.
This sculpture is ready just in time to celebrate Flag Day on June 14th, featuring a design steeped in American imagery like the eagle and the flag, plus those owls symbolizing family and knowledge, all themes that are important for this campus.
We say the Pledge of Allegiance every day, even up through our middle school. And the flag it's a symbol of our country, and it represents freedom, and it should be celebrated.
Well, wood sculptor Jeff Banning from Louisville created the statue using a chainsaw in just 3 days.